Let's check sprinkler continuity. After all your heads are installed, and before you assign them, it's a good idea to check line continuity to ensure the sprinklers are responding. Navigate to the More tab. Tap Test and Detect. The controller will begin scanning the line for all connected heads. Since we haven't assigned heads, they should all say, "Not assigned to any zones." Tap Test Connections at the top. The heads will check in and respond if they are good or have any errors. Once you have all heads assigned, this screen will look like this. This is also a great troubleshooting tool if any of your heads report a timeout or open line error. For example, let's say Zone 4 has a timeout error. If you scan the line and only see zones 1 through 3, then a good place to check the connections are either out of Zone 3 or coming into Zone 4. For more self-support help, visit support.iragreen.com. Thanks, and happy watering!